Welcome. In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite, and I will show you how camera promote works in this smartphone. And the good example will be when I take the photo with normal mode, and after that I will make the same photo but with the pro mode, and you will see clearly the difference. So let's start by opening the camera, and as I said before, I'm going to take photo with normal mode. For example, I'm going to put it like that. And let's click, or maybe I will take photo like that. Bang, the photo was taken, and then take a look how it will be looks when I go for the pro mode and change some options. So we have to go for the more and find pro mode here. And of course, as you can see, there's right now it's much brighter, and we have to change at the first, I think, the shutter speed. So as you can see, we can set it manually, but I'm going to turn it off and leave it manually. Set up manually. Maybe we can go for that value. Yeah, like, oh no, maybe 1/90. It's too bright. We get more light to our lens. Let's go like that. AF, we are going to set it up maybe for this value, because it got very nice. We got right now very nice focus on our plant with that value. Yeah, definitely like that. And the white balance, so we can also change the temperature. Maybe we can go to get the most natural. Wait, there's too many blue colors. Too warm. Okay, right now this one looks cool. And let's check the ISO. Okay, let's go like that. Let's hit the shutter button to take a photo. Bang, and let's compare the photos right now. Let's go back here, tap, and as you can see, this photo was taken in the pro mode, and this one was taken without the pro mode. So definitely you can spot the difference in the temperature of the photos, right? Which one looks better for you? For me, this one is definitely better. You can also spot the focus on the plant. Let's see how it looks in the normal. It's also good, but as you can see, for me, just this one looks better. That'll be taken in the pro mode. And basically that's all. So that's how we can adjust all settings in the pro mode and Galaxy Note 10 Lite. If you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.